Alright, so just something I noticed. You used to get these big giant bottles of water, right? That's liquor. These are 1 point, what are they? I can't read it. 1.5 quarts, okay? Now they give you 1 quart. They don't give you. You gotta buy them. $5. What's $4.95 or $4.75? Smaller and more money.
Buy a nickel.
But smaller. Half a liter smaller.
And you gotta buy a new jacket if you want to take it off the boat.
Yeah, crazy.
$10.57. Liz is feeling a little better, so it's margarita time. And these ones are strong. So we got stuck in the rain, luckily, at a bar, so Liz is getting a drink. Right. Still sick, but see if the alcohol helps. What's up, everybody? So we are in the piano bar.
Oh yeah.
Flippy. And obviously nobody's here, so we figured we'd find a quiet spot to record. You're sitting on the lanyard.
Oh.
There you go. How we doing? So, what do we do? It's Cozumel. Got off in Cozumel and went to Panchos Backyard, which is one of our favorites, actually our favorite, and had some good food, and then got poured on. Absolutely poured on. And he's gonna be doing cutting, so whatever. This isn't talking much because she's not feeling well, nor am I. But so yeah, that was the day.
I've been sick this whole week.
She is. Special. Me too. Or worse than me, but then we were just at the bar and I gave a young lady a duck and she gave us one of these really cool ones. It's actually burnt wood. So that is a nice handmade duck and a magnet on the back. So thank you so much if you're watching the video. Hi. But yeah, and it poured. We were supposed to go meet two gringos on the Gulf. They were all in Jennifer today. But Liz, not feeling well, didn't want to go. Which I don't blame her. And well, they're getting kind of rained out as well too, but looks like it's passing. So it should be clearing up. And then we're just gonna, I don't know, wait for the casino to open, I guess. Walk around the boat. There are red chairs around us.
All right, let's talk
a light
about these
above
elevators.
us. They're worthless.
They are.
They're about as worthless as the stink boxes all over this place. Yeah, they are. I mean, even basically, I was talking to one lady. She's like, well, anytime I find that they worked somewhat quickly, it's 5 a.m. But even, I mean, we're on day 6 now. Most people have figured out, some people have figured out how to use them. And even if you're hanging in an elevator bank with the people that do know how to use them, they still don't work. I sat there 9:30 this morning up on deck 10 because I was filming when we were coming in. And they got clocks next to the elevator. I hit, boom, it said car N at 9 o'clock. And at 9:10, I got on the elevator with 2 other people. 10 minutes. 9 o'clock in the morning, not busy. So
That's
they're
terrible.
just slow, straight slow. Smart elevators are not. John's like, he loves those things. Nope, I think they're the worst thing.
They're
Well,
only
no, the
as
stink
smart
boxes.
as the people
It's
who
not even
use
that.
them.
Everybody there was using them. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. There's nobody out there.
Okay.
They suck. Like I said, much like the stink boxes. Oh. I mean, I can get when they do it, in the smoking side of the casino and kind of cut through the smoky smell. But they're all over the ship. I mean, literally all over the ship. They got them on Lido deck when you're going to get breakfast. They're stink boxes. We just went to the bar, or what the hell's it called? In the lounge.
Gondola lounge.
Yeah, the gondola lounge. Stink box right there at a bar. And all they do is trivia there. I mean, they anticipate a lot of people farting, and they have to cover that up. But literally, you walk by, and you just feel your eyes sting. I know some people it doesn't bother me. I hate them. Those two. Yeah. So she left, and that's the extent of chatting you'll get from her.
All right. Okay, fine.
Yeah, that's I.
All right, we have a zoo, people.
Yep. So Joe didn't read the note after night 3 when we said, hey, can you leave us some more? Leave them and then make us some more. And then he's like, oh, I read your note. And I saw him tonight as I was walking out of the room. And Joe took care of us pretty well.
Yay!
Look at that. We got the animals! Woo!